In this video, I want to give you a quick demo of Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, so you need a subscription in order to be able to use this tool. However, once you get your subscription and you've signed up, it's going to allow you to see all sorts of different information that's extremely valuable for digital marketing. In fact, it's hard to do digital marketing without a tool like this anymore these days. So I'm going to show you what I typically like to do is I'll go to Google and do a search for whatever industry I'm doing marketing in, like Scottsdale plumbers or Phoenix roofers or whatever it is, Chicago auto repair. It could even be a national brand, but I'll do a quick search and then I'll come down here and look for the top ranked websites. I usually go past these listings here, and Scottsdale Plumbing is the first one here. So I've copied their URL here. Just did copy link address. You can also just open it in a new tab and copy it. Then I come to the top bar, paste it in here, click go. And this gives me insights on a lot of what's happening with this company online, at least. This top section here is invaluable information. We've got AI citations. This is just becoming more and more of a traffic driver as time goes on, where people are starting to use more of these tools like Perplexity and ChatGPT in order to search for things that they need, like who's the best plumber in Scottsdale. And so if you can get your company showing up in these AI tools, it's going to drive, well, the research shows that these tools generate much higher converting traffic than something like a Google search because it's so high, it's such high intent, right? And if you don't even know if your competitors are showing up or if your site is showing up, because of course you can put your own website in here, then you don't really understand what's happening. Like, you don't know the lay of the land, which is going to make it very difficult to optimize. You might be in zero citations in ChatGPT and other AI tools, or you might be in hundreds of them and just you don't know until you start doing a scan like this. Similar thing with SEO, traditional SEO, like your backlink profile or your competitor's backlink profile. It's really helpful to know what is going on there. We use this anytime we're going to do SEO for a client in my digital marketing agency. We'll do a scan to just see. Usually I'm looking at the Ahrefs rank here, which is just kind of a rank of how competitive this site is in terms of its authority with Google as compared to all the other websites online. So if a competitor has a 24 million rank here and our website is 3 million, I know we're going to be able to outrank them pretty easily if we just create the right content and do things properly, right? And then you have your search overview. So how much organic traffic are they getting? How many keywords are they getting that traffic from? Are they running paid ads? Like, knowing that information right out of the gate, so important, right? And then you can just dig in. Actually, if you go down the sidebar here, you can just start clicking into all sorts of different things. You can see their backlinks, their broken backlinks, referring domains, anchor text. A lot of that is sort of summarized on this first page here, where it's going to show sort of your ranking positions over time. This graph can be really helpful to troubleshoot. Like, sometimes people will refresh their website or get a whole new website and their rankings just tank after that. And so you can determine, oh, look, your traffic and rankings tanked in August of 2021. And that's when you got a new website. So clearly the new website that you just built is not performing as well as the old website. Can't tell you how many times I've seen that over the years, right? You can see what countries are driving traffic, the intent behind the traffic of this website, the backlink profiles, just tons of information to dig into in here to help you understand what's happening with this competitor or your own website. Backlinks, right? We can see all the backlinks. They've got all the essentials like Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Those are really important for local business SEO. We can see, oh yeah, you got to upgrade. They've changed the pricing tiers recently, so you actually have to pay to see the broken backlinks. It's like an extra tier. Referring domains, we can see their anchor text. This is something a lot of people just skip over and don't put any thought into and don't even understand how it works really. But Google's expecting to see really bland stuff up here at the top of your anchor text profile. And it's no surprise that this business ranks at the top of Google when you search for Scottsdale plumbers, because They've got decent backlinks, their anchor text profile's looking good. They've got a lot of things working for them. What I see a lot of times is a company will be generating a bunch of backlinks in a spammy way, and it's just like tons of keywords. Scottsdale Plumbing Services will be like number one. But in the natural world, that just doesn't happen that way. Most links that come to your website are going to be from something like your domain name or a variation of your domain name, which is why you have all three of those up the top here. And again, it would be almost impossible to understand this information if you didn't have a tool like Ahrefs showing you exactly what's going on. You can dive into the keywords, ranking positions, actual pages that are ranking, organic competitors. So this organic keywords is something we use a lot just to determine what a website is already ranking for, how those rankings have been changing. It's this column right here. This is the ranking position. You can see if they're even running ads, the cost per click, what URLs are ranking, and you can export any of this data at any time and then save it and come back to it later, which is really helpful. You can see their organic ranking positions here and how that's been changing over time. You can change the time frames here too. So if you wanted to see like just in the last month or a different date range, you can do that. The top pages that are ranking and getting all their traffic. Yeah, organic competitors. This gives you sort of a graph of who's like ScottsdalePlumbing.com is just absolutely crushing it basically compared to the rest of these competitors here. And that's why we would probably want to take a look at what are they doing, how are they getting this success, and then work backwards to figure out how we can build a superior online presence to what they're already doing. That way we don't have to reinvent the wheel and try to figure things out from scratch, because this company has already put a lot of time, money, and effort into figuring out what Google wants to see from an authoritative company in this space. So I'm not going to go through every single thing in here, but you'll get the idea of essentially how Ahrefs works probably just from this quick demo. If there is anything though you still have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.